Hello again. Welcome on Learn English with Bonaji. Urakaza nanone kuri Iga Icyongereza na Bonaji. Today we are going to learn some greetings. We must tugiye kuba twakiga indamukanyo. You need to know how to greet someone if you meet with him or her. Igihe uhuye n'umuntu uba ukeneye kuba wamenya uko wamusuhuza. Hari indamukanyo ziri formal greetings, indamukanyo ziba zirimo ikinyabupfura na informal greetings, indamukanyo dukoresha mu buryo busanzwe cyangwa se casual way. That is what you are going to be learning. I'm telling you, you need to know how to greet in English. Ukeneye kwasuhuza mu Cyongereza kuko nicyo kintu cya mbere na mbere ukwiye kuba wakora mu gihe uhuye n'umuntu. That's what you are going to be doing. I hope you are going to enjoy this lesson. Nizeye yuko uri buze gukunda iri somo. Before we start the lesson, I want you to know that if you want to learn with us, we can teach you wherever you are. Ukeneye kwiga natwe twakwigisha aho waba uri hose. We teach via Zoom. Twigisha Icyongereza kuri Zoom. I'm telling you, wherever you are, aho waba uri hose, as long as you have your phone and internet, that is enough. Ufite telefone na internet yawe, ibyo biba bihagije. Ikindi nanone uko dufite ibitabo bitandukanye. We have books that can help you, and these books are even translated in Kinyarwanda. Ibitabo biba biri no mu Kinyarwanda ku buryo kubikoresha wiga ari ibintu byoroshye cyane. So if you need one of our books, let us know. Ukeneye kimwe mu bitabo byacu batumenyesha. Dufite igitabo kirimo DIALOGS cyangwa se ibiganiro by'Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda, tukakugirira n'ibitabo birimo VERBS, inshinga, izikurikiza amategeko, izidakurikiza amategeko. Tukaba dugufitiye n'igitabo kirimo interuro 5,000 z'Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. Ku muntu ushaka gutangira Icyongereza, we have beginner's book. Dufite n'igitabo cy'abatangizi. Without further ado, now let's start the lesson of today. Reka dutangire isomo ry'uyu munsi. Let's do this. Nkuko nabikubwiye, tugiye kuba tureba indamukanyo z'Icyongereza. Greetings and introductions. Greetings ni indamukanyo, introductions ni kwa kundi wisobanura uvuga uwibwira umuntu. Formal greetings zikaba ari indamukanyo dukoresha ariko ziba zirimo ikinyabupfura cyinshi. The first one is good morning. Good morning. Good morning bivuze ngo mwaramutse. Good morning wayikoresha igihe umuntu wahura nawe wari we wese, waba umuzi waba utamuzi, uravuga ngo good morning, mwaramutse. Tukatwikoresha mu gihe ari imbere ya saa sita, birumvikana. Good morning, mwaramutse. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ushaza kuvuga good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mwaramutse. Next one is good afternoon. Good afternoon. No. Good ushaka kwifatanya na ukavuga good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Cyangwa se good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. Next one is good evening. Good evening. Umugoroba mwiza. Uyikoresha uhuye n'umuntu ari nimugoroba, saa 11, saa 12 gukomeza, uravuga ngo good evening. Cyangwa se good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Mwiriwe. Next one is good night. Good night. Cyangwa se good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Ijoro ryiza. Iyi shaka kumenya yuko ntabwo ari indamukanyo, ahubwo tuyikoresha turi gusezera umuntu. Igihe twari turi kumwe ari nijoro, umusezeye niho umubwira ngo good night. Ijoro ryiza. Good night. Reka mwibutse yuko ibi byose turi kwiga wabisanga mu gitabo cy'abatangizi. Igitabo cy'abatangizi, ibi ndetse n'ibindi byinshi, I'm telling you, byinshi cyane wabisangamo. Good night. Ijoro ryiza. Next one is how do you do? How do you do? Nuko kubaza ngo umeze ute? How do you do? Iyi nshaka ko umenya ko itandukanye na what do you do? What do you do? Nuko kubaza ngo ukora iki? What do you do? hello bite, hello bite, hi, hi nayo ni bite. Tukagira indi yitwa he, hello, hi, he, byose bivuga bite ariko bitandukaniye hehe. Iyo tuvuze ngo hello mu gihe uhuye n'umuntu ku nshuro ya mbere, it is better kwavuga ngo hello. Niba umuntu utamuzi ntabwo wamubwira ngo he. He uyibwira wa muntu musanzwe mwisanzuranaho, cyangwa se umuntu ufite ubushobozi n'uvuga ngo he. Hi ni bite, ariko iyi hello yifitemo ikinyabupfura cyane gusumbya hi. Okay, hi, hello na he umenye kubitandukanya. Ntuzabare n'umuntu ntabwo muziranye ugiye kumwandikira ngo he, ubundi he nko mu Kinyarwanda igiye kuvuga ngo bite sha, he vuga ngo umuntu mwisanzuranyeho niwe wabwira ibyo bintu, cyangwa se umuntu nk'umwana mutoya niwe wavuga ngo he. But niba ari umuntu wubase, it is not good to say he, ariko niyo yaba yiyubase ariko mwebwe mwisanzuranyeho, you can use he. Okay, next one is how are you doing. How are you doing ni ukubaza ngo umeze ute, amakuru yawe, how are you doing, umeze ute cyangwa se bite. Next one is how have you been. How have you been ni ukubaza ngo amakuru y'iminsi, how have you been. Ushaka gusubiza uvuga ngo I've been doing great, meze neza, I've been doing great. Next one is how are things going. How are things going ni ukubaza ngo ibintu biragenda gute, how are things going, ibintu biri kugenda bite, how are things going. Okay, you can say things are going well, ibintu biri kugenda neza, things are going well, things are going well. Cyangwa se I can't complain, ntacyo nashinja Imana, I can't complain. Next one is I'm blaze. I'm blaze ni ukuvuga ngo nitwa blaze, I'm blaze, I'm blaze. Cyangwa se nawe ugahita uvuga izina ryawe, I'm Peter, nitwa Peter, I'm James, nitwa James. Okay, how are you. How are you, umeze ute, how are you. I'm good, I'm good, meze neza. I'm fine, meze neza. I'm great, meze neza. I'm cool, meze neza. I'm safe and sound, ibyo byose bivuze ngo meze neza. What's up, bite, what's up, bite. Umenye yuko iyi what's up ni imvugo uvuga ngo how are you, ni ukubaza ngo bimeze gute. Iyo bakoje ngo what's up ushobora guhita usubiza uvuga ngo nothing much, nothing much. What's up, nothing much. Okay, next one is formal responses. Ni ibisubizo utanga byifitemo ikinyabupfura, formal responses. The first one is good morning. Umuntu arakubaza ngo good morning, nawe ukamusubiza good morning, good morning, good morning. Vuga ngo ibi ni ibisubizo utanga. Good morning, good morning, mwaramutse, mwaramutse. Good afternoon, good afternoon, mwiriwe, mwiriwe. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Umuntu akubwiye ngo good afternoon, wemerewe kumusubiza good afternoon, muha ikindi gisubizo. Next one is good evening. Good evening, good evening. Akakubwira ngo mwiriwe, mugoroba mwiza, mugoroba mwiza. Good evening, good evening. Good night, good night. Good night nakubwiye kuko good night nakubwiye yuko tuyikosha dusezera umuntu, ijoro ryiza, good night, nawe ukambwira ngo good night, ijoro ryiza, ijoro ryiza. Okay, next one is I'm very well, meze neza. I'm very well, thank you. Meze neza, murakoze. I'm very well, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. Meze neza, murakoze. Okay, next is it's a pleasure to meet you. Iyi uyikoresha mu gihe uhuye n'umuntu ku nshuro ya mbere, uravuga ngo it's a pleasure to meet you, ni byiza guhura nawe, it's a pleasure to meet you. Ushatse wavuga ngo it's nice to meet you, it's nice to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you, it's nice to meet you, cyangwa se pleased to meet you, nejejwe no guhura nawe, pleased to meet you. Okay, pleased to meet you. T nayo wabifatanya ukavuga meet you, pleased to meet you, nejejwe no guhura nawe. Noneho reka turebe ibisubizo kuri informal greetings, ibisubizo wahereza umuntu ariko bitarimo ikinyabupfura. Niba akubwiye ngo hello nawe wamusubiza hello hello, cyangwa ukavuga hi hey hey. Okay, ibyo akubwiye nawe uhita ubimusubiza. Shaka nkwibutse yuko iyo dusuza umuntu ibi ntabwo biba bivuze ngo ukeneye kumenya amakuru ye, ahubwo umubwiye ngo how are you ntabwo ari ngo ukeneye kumenya amakuru ye, ahubwo ahanini cyane cyane ni it's like opening, gutangira ikiganiro kugira ngo ugirane n'uwo muntu ikiganiro. Iki nicyo aya magambo aba agambiriye cyane cyane. Okay, I'm fine thanks and you, meze neza murakoze. Naho mwebwe I'm fine thanks and you, wowe umeze ute? I'm fine thanks and you. Next one is it's nice to see you. It's nice to see bivuze ngo ni byiza kukubona. It's nice to see you, ni byiza kukubona. Next on the list is great thanks, meze neza urakoze. Great, how are you? Great thanks, meze neza murakoze. Great thanks. Next on the list, not bad. How are you? Not bad. What's up? Not bad. Okay, but kuri WhatsApp cyane cyane dukunda kuvuga ngo nothing much. Nothing much. Next one is so-so. Bivuze ngo so-so, bivuze ngo meze neza ariko biri hagati. So-so. Okay, not very good, not very bad. So-so, meze neza biri hagati. Next on the list is formal closings. Bango ni gihe ugiye gusezera umuntu ariko byifitemo ikinyabupfura, uravuga ngo it's been a pleasure, goodbye. Byari byiza ko wambonanye nawe, urabeho. It's been a pleasure, goodbye. Next on the list is thank you for your time, goodbye. Wakoze kubw'igihe cyawe, urabeho. Thank you for your time, goodbye. Okay, thank you for your time, goodbye. Informal closings ni gusezera umuntu ariko byo nta kinyabupfura byifitemo, ariko nibyo tuba dukoresha. Kuba mvuze ngo nta kinyabupfura byifitemo nuko ariko tubyita, but ana amagambo dukoresha n'uburyo bw'iyubase turayakoresha. So don't worry, you can use them, but you have to know where are you using them. Uri kuyakoresha ryari? Ese ni mu nama, ni nama iri professional? Don't use them sometimes. Okay, bye biravuze ngo murabeho, bye. Next one is I have to go now, bye. Ngomba kugenda, murabeho. I have to go now, bye. Ushobora no kuri kwandikira umuntu wenda mwari muri gucata ugatubwira ngo I have to go now, bye. Nkwiye kuba nagenda, murabeho. I have to go now, bye. Next is I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Turaza kongera dusubire. I'll see you later. Turasubira. Okay? Naha ubu musezeye. Next, have a nice day, bye. Ugira umunsi mwiza, urabeho. Have a nice day, bye. So this brings us to the end of our lesson today. Ibi bitugejeje ku musozo w'isomo ryacu uyu munsi. I want to encourage you to try to use what you know. Ibyo umaze kumenya ugerageze ubikoreshe. Okay? Nari natekereje yuko nategura iri somo ry'indamukanyo, kuko kwiga Icyongereza ukwiye kuba uzi indamukanyo zacyo. So see you next time. Ciao.